Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security. We've just finished up doing a VW Caravelle 2019 plate. We've done a full Audison upgrade. That's what we've done. 10-inch active Audison, all built-in unit, absolutely fantastic sounding. Changed the front doors for three-way, so two in there, one just over there. DSP just there. Let me just turn it up.
No, I said before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention. So in my heart to hit
it. Sounds absolutely crisp, see even from a distance away from the vehicle. If you're interested in getting something like this done on your vehicle, get in contact with us, details below. Thanks for watching.